Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making Vortex text in Illustrator. It's actually not that hard, but there's a couple steps we have to do. So first off, we have to write our text. Let's make, oops. So you write your sentence or whatever. You choose your font. You can go here, here, and then change the font. You can resize it. It's up to you. Then go to type, create outlines. You're then going to open your brush settings. You're going to click and drag your brush in there. Select art brush, press OK. Make sure this is set on tint, and you should be good to go. You can now erase your text because you now have it as a brush over here. So let's try and make it into a circle. Make your circle. Let's swap the fill and the stroke. Now I'm gonna grab my scissors tool and I'm gonna cut one end of it. This will turn my shape into a path and not a shape anymore. I'm then going to change the stroke to, you can change like the stroke to like whatever brushes you have. So we can now change the stroke of our circle into the text we made. Now we have to change the stroke of it to make it look kind of good. You can then change the width profile and you can make some really cool stuff with it, like kind of something like this. Now let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform. You can obviously use whichever width profile you want. Just play around with it and you'll notice you can make some really cool stuff. I'm gonna scale both horizontal and vertical. I'm gonna add my copies and I'm gonna add an angle to it. Press OK. And that's basically it. It's really easy. There's a bunch of ways you can do this, but I feel like this is an easy way you can make this type of stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please feel free to subscribe or follow me on Instagram. I post really cool graphic design stuff on there as well. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.